Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain data collection in organizational change. Now, my name is Fani Syaptiani, class Management 20E NPM 2411033. And next, understanding. Data collection is a critical component in the process organizational change as it provides the necessary information for diagnosis, problem, identify opportunity, planning intervention, and influencing outcomes. In the context of organizational change, data collection helps leader and change again understand the current state of the organization is sharing, weakness, culture, communication flow, employee attitude, and performance level before decision on the most appropriate course of the action. There are various methods of data collection used in organizational change effort, including survey, interview, focus group, observation, and document analysis. Each method provides unique insight. For example, survey can gather quantitative data from large number of employees, while interview and focus group allow for deeper exploration of profession of perception and feelings. Observation help capture actual behavior in the workplace, and document analysis can uncover trends and inform policy of organizational structure. And next, effective data collection. Effective data collection and organizational change must be systematic, objective, and ethical conduct. It involves selecting the right tool, clearly define what needs to be measured, ensuring confidently, and engaging stakeholders in the process. The data collection serves as a foundation for the decision making, enabling change leaders to design target intervention, monitor progress, and adjust strategy as needed. Ultimately, data collection not only support the success of change need ultimately data collection not only support the success in initiative but also builds trust and transparency within the organization. When employee see also builds trust and transparency within the organization. When employee see that their an input is value and contribution to meaningful improvement, they are more likely to engage with and support the change process. And next, introduction. In the dynamics environment of modern organization, change is inevitable and essential from the long term success. Whether driven by internal change or external pressure, organizational change requires a strategy approach to ensure that the transformation process is effective and sustainable. One of the most critical steps in this process is data collection behavior. Any meaningful change can be planned or implement data collection server as the foundation for informed decision making, allowing leaders and change again to accurately diagnose uses identified areas for improvement. improvement, and evaluated the impact of change initiative by gathering relevant, reliable, and timely information. Organization can minimize ancient participation and increase the likelihood of successful outcomes in their effort. And next, effective data collection also promote transparency and inclusion, as it often involves and engaging employee at various levels through survey, interview, focus group, and observation. This includes approach not only increase the quality of the data but also foster a sense of involvement and ownership among employees, which is crucial of overcoming resistance to change. Moreover, data collected before, during, and after the implementation of change they can be used to evaluate the success of initiative, adjust strategy as needed, and change can be used to evaluate the success of initiative, adjust strategy as needed, and user continue improvement. In summary, data collection is not merely primarily the organizational change process. It is a continuous and strategic activity that informs path of change with reliable data. Change effort risk being measured in inefficiency, harmful. Therefore, understanding and implementing effective data collection essential for any organization seeking to navigate successful and sustainable. And next, types types of data collection. Organizational change. To ensure effective decision making, there is organizational change. Various data collection method can be employed. These methods fall into two main categories, quantitative and qualitative, each providing different kinds of insight. Using a combination of both often leads to a more comprehensive understanding of organizational dynamics. And number one, survey and customer quantitative. Survey are one of the most commonly used tools in organizational change. They involve structure, questionation, often using scalage, key-edge, Likert scales to collect data from a large group of people effective file. And number two, often easy to administer, cost effective, and allow for statistical analysis. Limitation. Limit depth of response quality depends on question design. And number two, interview qualitative. Interview are conducted one-on-one or in small group to gain deeper insight into individual experience, optional and perceptions. Number one, advanced rich detailed information allow for follow-up, questionation and clarification. Number two, limitation time consumes. Request skill interview might be subject to interview bias. And next, number three, focus group qualitative. Focus group involved with destination with a small group of participants to explore attitudes and preparation about specific aspect of organizational change. Number one, advance and cross-destination rival group norms and common themes. Limitation may be influenced by dominant voice not sustainable for sensitive topic. And number 4, observation qualitative or mixed. Observation involves watching behavior, workflows, interaction, and routines in the natural organizational setting. It helps identify discrepancy between what people say and what they actually do. Number 1, advanced provide real-time. Unbased data is useful for understanding, process, and culture. Limitation time intensive observation present might influence behavior. Number 5, document and record analysis quantitative qualitative dates method involves reviewing existing organizational documents such as reports, memos, policies, meeting, and next advanced use existing data can reveal trend in context. And next, data collection is a foundation step in the process of managing organizational change. It enables leaders, change agents, and stockholders to make informed decisions and design strategies that are grounded in quality rather than assumption. The following are the key benefits of data collection in context of organizational change. Number 1, accurate diagnosis of organizational use. Data collection allows organizations to identify the root cause of problem rather than just addressing symptoms. By gathering information from various sources, leaders can pinpoint where essentials, resilience, or performance gaps exist. This leads to more target and effective change interventions. And number 2, evidence-based decision making with reliable data. Decisions are no longer based on intuition or speculation. Instead, they are informed factuality evidence. This increases the likelihood of using the right strategies and minimize the risk of failure during the change process. Number 4, improve employee engagement and trust involving employee in the data collection process through survey, interview, or focus group makes them feel heard and value this participation faster. A sense of ownership over the change process and reducing resistance. It also builds trust as employees see that decisions are based on their input. Number 5, continue monitoring and evaluation. Change is not one-time event but a process that requires ongoing assessment. Data collection enables organizations to track progress, measure the impact of intervention, and make necessary adjustments. Along the way, this ensures that the change remains on course and delivers the intended outcome. Number 6, support communication and transparency. Conclusion. In era where organizations must consistently evolve to remain competitive and sustainable, data collection emerges as a cornerstone of successful change initiative. It's not merely a product result, normally, but a strategies function that inform every stage of the change process from initial diagnosis to planning, implementation, and implementation. Without accurate, timely, relevant data, organizational leaders are left to navigate change smoothly. risking poor decision making, wasted research, and united consequence data. And thank you.